Hi friend, in this tutorial you will learn how to switch between navigation gesture and button on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this updated guide easily, switch them. Let's get started. First unlock your phone, open settings. In the main settings page, scroll down slowly, locate display option, tap to open them. After that, scroll down again. This time you can find the navigation bar option. Simply tap on it. Here you can basically see two options: button navigation bar and swipe gesture navigation bar mode. For example, if you decide to select button mode, simply tap on button and automatically activate the three navigation button your phone. You can also change it. To do that, go to more option. Here you can select the button order if you like. However, if you change your mind, this time you can decide to set swipe gesture navigation bar your phone. Simply go back to the navigation bar page again. You can this time select swipe gesture. To also adjust them, go to more options. Here, adjust the gesture sensitivity. That is how you can easily switch between navigation button and swipe gesture your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.